Hello guys. Hello guys. We are back again with the new update for SMLB overlay to version 4. Yay, this is New Year. Happy New Year for you also. Then yes, let's go into it. Okay, first of all, you need to download the web app in my website, which is the link is in the description. Open it and then extract the file. After you extract it, you will see this file assembly overload to version 4. Just open it and then you can see select here file assembly overlay tool.bat. Okay, so before you open this, please make sure you have installed node.js. Okay, install node.js. How to install it? You can check it on my previous video, or you can type on YouTube and search how to install Node.js. After you install it, then we are back here again, and then let's go open it. First, I'm be overlay tool.bat, and it will be starting. Okay, so we are now back here. So this is our new hub. As you can see, it's different from the previous version, which is the version 3. This version 4 is much easier to see now. Control panel, display panel, utility overlay, and then info and document. You can read this. Please read this. Not you can read this. Please read this. Okay. And then we are back to control panel. Okay. So what is the new update in this specific version? Let's go through it. First, we're going to the display overlay, and we will see the new display custom. So what is this display custom? We're gonna find out. Just copy it, which is just press this button, localhost or net IP. I prefer to use localhost because it's on same computer, but if on a different computer or different client, use the net IP. And then we are going to our OBS here, and then we are going to plus and browser, and then just call it draft. Paste the link 1920 and what 1080, and then make sure to press the control audio of your OBS so you can adjust the volume of voice line, and then there you have it. We are now in our new draft. Okay, so what is this? What is special with this new draft? Okay, so to understand it, we need to go to our control panel. As you can see here, now we are in our panel. I will make it small, and then as you can see here, now there is a new section which is lane near the nickname. Okay, so if you go into right here, you will see this is for the lanes settings. So for example, we are going to choose gold lane, jungle, mid lanes, and ROM and XP. Yeah, so basically just what is it the name, uh just align it with the players. Okay, just align it with the players. So yes, jungle, mid, ROM, XP. Okay, after that, still the photo is still working. So if you want to know how to do photo, there's a you can see the previous video, which is the version 3, and Roblox and Bomba. Maybe we can hear all P4 uh and last one is Moon. Okay, so this is still working, the photo, and also this laning logo is also working in the previous display 1 and display 2, and display custom also working. So yes, and then I think we are going to input team name anti meta. Okay, and then the score is 0/0. Oh shit. Okay, done. And then we're going to upload a logo here. Maybe this one is RQ and this one is this one. Okay. And yes, we can start the draft now. So basically the draft is still the same for the 6 band and the 6 band and 10 band is there is an option also in the hub. So we're gonna start the draft. As you can see now, the draft countdown is moving and the timer bar is also moving. So yes, we are going to ban our first hero, which is the OP hero Mia, because Mia dilepas untuk bercanda. And then we are going to ban Layla and not Lancelot. And maybe we're banning Argus. So if you asking why the sound is not going through my earphone. Why the sound is not going to the desktop now? Because now the sound is going to this guy. So for example, I'm going to pick Argus, okay, which is this one. As you can see, the voice meter is going here because we are already control the sound of the draft in the OBS. So yes, you can adjust it, turn it down, and yeah, you can do it what as you please. Maybe the next band we are going to ban Arlot, and next band we are also banning Sicilian. Okay, and this one we are gonna pick new hero, which is Sora. Sora. The Sora voice line is also here, guys. As you can see, the voice meter is coming out. Okay, and yes. So basically, the draft is still the same. So what's special with this specific display custom? So the special thing is you can customize the color of this display. How to do it? Just back to your hub, and then going to your hub, you will find custom overlay control. So just open the panel here, and as you can see, there is a bunch of setting. We will go through it, and yes, we will go from the beginning, which is the upper section here. You can change the color here, guys. As you can see, the color is changing. So maybe I want the blue theme now. Blue theme, or maybe I want it blue and red gradient. I just press this one if you want a gradient, and then up, as you can see now is gradient. And if you want to change the direction of the gradient, just slide it, or you just type uh the the direction of it, which I want to 270, which is like this. And yes, as you can see, and the lower base I'm also want to change the color. Maybe yeah, gradient, same gradient. And then the lower mid is also this one. Maybe I want to make it like this. Okay, and yeah, if I want to gradient also I can gradient it. This one. Now as you can see, now it's working like this. And if you want to change the hero card also, you can do it by this. Oh, and if you're wondering what is this button do, this is the opacity button. So as you can see, this is the base, and this is the main base, and then opacity up, opacity 0, and opacity up. And if you still want it to like this, maybe blue, and then red, and then just yeah, something like this maybe. Okay, and then team logo box also you can change it, which is this one, team logo. Usually I'm just going to turn it off. And yes, that's for the here. And you can change the color of this also, the nickname. You can go below, and then we'll find the components. Okay, this one you can change the color. This one maybe I want it blue, or I want it red. Yeah, or I want gradient. It's yeah, it's working, guys. So yeah, just make sure you check out this. And oh, I want to do this. Okay, this is good. And then I want to change the nickname text, maybe black one. No, white. I think white is still good. And then LAN logo background, you can see it's really changing. For me, black is good. And you can change the color, which is if you want a black one, sorry, if you wanted this, and then white, as you can see. Voila. Okay, and then you can change also the team names color. Okay, the team color. If you want to change this team color, and then you can see the blue and the red, you can change it from here, global team colors. And I want it to be blue here like this, or I want it white or yellow. Just try yellow. And then for the red, I want it green. Okay, and then also you can change the aura. You can change the aura of the picking, which is here on the toggles and animation. Pick animation, you can change the color, basically what you want. Maybe yes, this one is good. You can change it. As you can see, now it changes. And also now you can change the animation of the pick. So as you can see, this pick is with the fade animation. If I pick here Zetian, you will see only fades here. And I want to change it, not fade. I want to change it like sliding from bottom to top. Okay, just press slide here, and then just type the hero and you want, and then it will be sliding now. Or you want to not sliding, but I want to reveal it. Oh, press the reveal button, and then reveal your hero demos. Voila. Or you want blur and then come pick the snap and then gain over sa. And it's also work in the bending area. So hope as you can see here, bending area is also the same. Uh uh oh one. Why one is bend again? So yeah, but fuck with though. And then we're gonna pick maybe the carry, okay. Carry. Okay, maybe you want to cloud and you want to Akai and one Jawhead maybe. Okay, so this is our draft now. As you can see, now the draft is complete. And after the draft, of course, you want to going to the post draft. Okay, and so we are going to make a new scene and then go back to our hub and then find the post draft custom, which is this one. Copy it and then go to browser, post draft, paste it, 1920 1080. As you can see, most of it are already changing, which is the yellow and the green, because it will be using the same theme here. But not all is changing. So basically, the background is still the same, and also if you want to change this color, which is the score color, you can go to here, and this one scoreboard color, you can change it. Okay, I want to white. Okay, I want to white, and it will be connected here also. So yes, it already connected, and as you can see in this one is you kind of see the background. Maybe you don't like the background, you can change the color of the background, which is this one, post draft background. You can change the color and you can gradient it also, and the pattern color as you also you can change. But if you don't like the pattern color, you can hide it, which is this one, hide pattern. It will be hiding. Or if you want to use the custom background, you just hide it and then slap in the OBS. Have a background that you like, just slap it here, and then as you can see, it work as good. And if you find this glow is annoying, okay, if you find this glow is annoying, you just need to disable it. Basically, you just go here and then where is the glow? Disable glow, okay, and it will be hide. Also, of course, it will be hide also with this. As you can see, there is no glow. And here is also no glow. And if you want to disable box shadow also, but yeah, you can disable it. If you want to hide lanes also, lane logo here, you can hide it. Yeah, it will be hide. Okay, that's as you can see now is the post draft is complete. Oh, and also if you want to change the border of your draft, as you can see here, the border is black. You can change it, go to the border, global border, and then change the color. I want a white, okay, and it will be changed to white also. See, the border is working, global border. Wow, you can change it. And yes, after this one, we are going to the scoreboard. So yeah, let's make a new scene and then we're going to slap the MLBB dummy here, MLBB dummy, and then just going to your hub again, find the name of scoreboard costume. Okay, this one is scoreboard costume plus browser scoreboard, paste it 1920 1080, and as you can see now this is the new scoreboard. Now as you can see it's still on black, which is the default one, and the rest of it, as you can see, the yellow and the green is from the previous, but you can change it. You can change the team name colors and the background here with this specific scoreboard specific. So this scoreboard specific is only for scoreboard. For example, I want the blue team to be white also, and this white, and then we're going to background team name, which is the background of the team name, maybe this, and then the logo box also we can change it. And yes, still you can gradient it, background score box, which is this one, score box, and then flag, which is this one, background flag. You can change it basically with whatever you want. And background secondary, which is this one, the right one, you can change it. And the background combine, this one for the background, this you can change it also here. Yes, and if you want to change the flag, you can change it also here. For me, like Philippines, maybe Timor Leste, Thailand, India, or maybe Cambodia, Argentina. So yes, basically you can choose here, or if you don't have, if you want to your flag country, just press this upload button, And then maybe I'm gonna just example. Okay, this is the country, and then just input it, and then find it. The name is Epical Glory logo, which is here, and then it will be showed here. Okay. For me, I am proud Indonesian. And then you can input something here, which is maybe your your tournament names or caster name or whatever you like. So yes, so this is the new scoreboard custom. And yes, if you want to make it the default, just going to the bottom of it and then just reset all setting if you just want the original one. Yes, which is it will be reset anything that you have made. As you can see, it will be resetting. So yes, that's for the customization one. And then we're going to see the new updates also on the notif display. So I update the notif display. Here you can see you can copy the notif display, and we're going to browse and this paste it 1920 and 1080. And we are going to open our control panel, which is the notif control here. For notif control, the thing that I updated is the here for the turtle spawn, lord spawn, blue turtle slain, red turtle slain, blue lord slain, and red lord slain. So for turtle slain, the animation will be like this now. And for lord spawn, the animation will be like this now. And for the slain, the animation will be like this. Oh wait, red. What the? And then Lord Slain will be like here, and then Red Lord Slain will be like this, and anything is still the same, not changing. Still, you can also control it on your mobile still. And yes, this for the notif display. And the next feature that we are implementing is what is the name? Global ban. Okay, global ban. So this is a utility overlay, but yeah, we're going to see this global ban. So how it's global ban works? So basically, you have picked this, right? You have picked this one. You have been picked. We are going to input the global ban first, GB, which and then 1920, and then sorry, 1920 and 18, and then as you can see, this is the name. So how it works. So first of all, make sure the team name is same as the first one. So basically, I'm gonna change this team name first, and I'm gonna change it to maybe this one is RRQ Moshi, and then the second one will be Team Liquid PH. Okay, as you can see, the global ban is not working. Okay, because the team name is not the same with the previous data. So now what we are going to do is click this save to previous, and it will be saved. Now the global ban is working. Now, now we just need to reset the draft. Okay, reset the draft. After we resetting the draft, now you can have the comparison of the game one. Okay, let's just going to random pick here. I will just random pick. Okay, now the all of the pick is complete, and I want to save it also because maybe in the game too, it will be still going with the global ban. Okay, yes, I'm just going to save. Make press again to save the previous. However, maybe you have a problem that this is not the global ban for this specific team. This is not the global ban for the specific team. Don't worry about that because it's already automated. So, for example, if this one is hierarchy of Hoshi, the hierarchy Hoshi previous pick, and this is the Team Liquid PH previous pick. If we switch the team nickname, and then it will be changed. Okay, so it will be automatically changed based on the team name. So for example, RQ will picking this, and then Team Liquid PH will picking this, and then we are saving it. Save the previous. Now as you can see, here, the previous pick is here for RQC and Team Liquid PH, and it will be go until the game 7. So the maximum of this is will be the game 7. So for example, we are just going to save to previous 7 times. Okay, and it will be out, count out again, count out again, count out again, count again, and then count again. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and one more. This will be the last one because yeah, best of 7. Who knows, best of 7, but and if you press the save to previous again, it will be just only 7. Okay, and then if you're asking how to reset it, so basically to reset it you just need to set a new different team. So basically, let's just say our Team Liquid PH here will be going to be play again SRG or SRG OG, and it will be reset. Okay, and then if we save to previous again, and it will be detected, or if we switch the team here, it will be switch, guys. Oh no, not switch logo, switch team name, sorry. And it will be switch. No, so this is the global ban work. Okay, now we are going to see the previous draft. So previous draft is still the same, but now the mechanism is a bit changed. So go to your display overlay and go to previous draft, copy this, and then paste the uh browser, paste the link, 920 1080, and then don't forget to turn on this shutdown and then refresh. This one is very important, so make sure you turn this on, and then click OK. And then for after that, we have already a previous draft, but let's make a new previous draft here. So we're going to back to the uh our draft here. So so the mechanic has been changed. So we are going to back to our control panel here. So let's make a new band first. So remember the team name is SRG OG and Team Liquid. Okay, and then we're going to pen Akai here, Fredrin, Argus, Savior, Fredrin, Aldos, and then Badang, Sora, uh, Alice, Sicilian, and Zetian, Kalea, and then maybe Glue, Cyclops, Hanzo, Vexana, uh, Freya, Balmon, and then Beatrix. Last one is Layla. Okay, so keep in mind, we are going to hide this first. Okay, and then keep in mind, SRGOG is picking this one, and Team Liquid is picking this one. So to make it easier, SRGOG is picking a Beatrix, and Team Liquid is picking Layla. So now we just need to save the draft, save the previous, and then we need to reset the draft. Okay, don't reset the team name. And then we are going to add this. Okay, so this is the draft by SRGOG, which is they have Beatrix, and this is the draft of Team Liquid, which is they have Layla. So what happened if I'm going to if I'm switching this team name, it will be automatically switch. Okay, it will be automatically switch. So remember, SRG is picking Beatrix, and Team Liquid is picking Layla. Switch team name, and it will be automatically put. And then if we pick Akai here, ban Akai, okay, and then we're banning Fredrin again, and then we're banning Lunox. Maybe we ban Lila here. Okay, Lila is banned, and then we're banning Sicilian here, and then we're banning Freya here, and then we're banning Zas, Epic Zas, and now let's try to pick Kalia, stealing Kalia here. Can we steal? Okay, now it's stolen. Okay, it's stolen. So yes, and let's pick again Badang. Badang. Now is Badang is repick. So yes, so the mechanic is basically changed. So you don't need to press this button again. I think I will delete it later. Switch the cam and switch data source. So yes, it's already automatic. So the life is much easier. And now the utility over there is a new section which is the utility overlay. So yeah, it's not related to in games too much in game, but yes, you can see here, still the same. Yeah, I think that's all for the updates. Very much so many things happening, but yes, I hope you like the update, and thank you guys for watching here. Subscribe, like if you like it, dislike if you dislike it, and yes, don't forget to support me. Your support is being great to me. And also, if you find this tool if you find this tool very helpful, please don't forget to mention me on Instagram, or give a credit to me. And also, guys, good night. And yes, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much. And don't forget to